Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best budget camping stoves in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is MSR PocketRocket 2 Mini Stove. The MSR PocketRocket 2 is an ultralight and compact stove that is perfect for camping and backpacking. It is made with a durable stainless steel construction and features a built-in igniter for easy lighting. The stove also has a simmer control for cooking at lower temperatures. The compact design makes it easy to pack and carry, and it is backed by a limited lifetime warranty. The Snow Peak Gigapower Auto is a portable and compact canister stove that is perfect for minimalist adventures. It is ultra lightweight at only 2.6 ounces and can easily fit in your pocket or backpack. The Gigapower Auto is fueled by high-performance isobutane propane fuel canisters, not included, and self-sealing threaded canister fuel is available in most countries. This stove is easy to set up and operate. No priming, preheating, or pressurizing is required. The serrated pot supports accommodate a wide range of pot sizes and styles. Number 2. Our second best pick is Jetboil MiniMo Camping and Backpacking Stove. The Jetboil MiniMo is a versatile and easy-to-use camping and backpacking stove that is perfect for any adventure. The MiniMo features an adjustable heat control that allows you to simmer or boil your food or drinks with ease. The stove also has a built-in igniter for convenience, and the included fuel canister stand ensures stability while cooking. The Jetboil MiniMo is the perfect stove for those who want to enjoy a hot meal or drink while camping or hiking without any hassle. Powered by flux ring technology, the MiniMo camping and backpacking stove cooking system, in adventure, reaches a rolling boil in just over 2 minutes with half the fuel consumption of traditional systems. Jetboil's proprietary regulator technology offers incremental heat adjustments from light simmer to full boil, perfect for sautéing greens, simmering sauces, and more. Metal handles and a redesigned flux ring cooking cup optimized for a low spoon angle make the MiniMo the perfect vessel for personal cooking and eating right out of the cup. Start heating instantly with the convenient, reliable push-button igniter. Save pack space with the clever sideways burner storage design. Number 3. Our third best pick is BioLite Campstove 2 Wood Burning and USB Charging Camping Stove. The BioLite Campstove 2 is a revolutionary piece of camping equipment that allows you to cook your meals using wood while generating electricity to charge your USB devices. This means that you can enjoy all the benefits of cooking with wood while staying connected to your electronic devices. The Campstove 2 is also extremely efficient, meaning that you will use less wood and produce less smoke than traditional methods of cooking. Turn fire into electricity. Campstove 2 generates 3 watts of usable electricity and stores it in its internal power bank for USB charging of LED lights, mobile phones, and other devices. The internal, rechargeable 2600 mAh battery stores excess power to charge devices even without a live fire. USB charge output with 50% more power than our previous Campstove 1, with updated thermoelectrics creating even more electricity from fire, and smart LED dashboard gives you real-time feedback on fire strength, power output, and fan speed settings. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is MSR XGK-EX Stove. The MSR XGK-EX is a multi-fuel stove that is designed for mountaineering and expedition use. It is a reliable and rugged stove that can burn a variety of fuels, including white gas, kerosene, and unleaded gasoline. The stove has a built-in pump that makes it easy to prime and start, and it also has a pressure regulator that helps to maintain a consistent flame. The XGK-EX also features a windscreen and heat reflector that help to protect the flame from the wind and to increase efficiency. The reliable stove has been designed to be the best possible stove for mountaineering expeditions, with a multi-fuel design that can burn more liquid fuels than any other stove. The powerful flame melts snow and boils water super fast, and the compact design is extra stable and supports use of larger pots. The dependable design is easy to field, maintain, and shaker jet technology cleans the fuel jet with a simple shake. The stove includes a fuel pump, windscreen, heat reflector, small parts kit, instructions, and stuffed sack, Fuel bottle not included. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Camp Chef Everest 2x 2 burner cooking system. No matter what you're cooking up, the Camp Chef Everest 2x 2 burner cooking system has the power and versatility to get the job done. With two 30,000 BTU burners, you've got plenty of cooking power at your disposal. The included 3-sided windscreen protects your flame from the elements, while the detachable legs make it easy to transport and set up. Plus, the Everest 2X comes with a regulator and hose, so you can hook it up to a propane tank and get cooking right away. When you're done, the Everest 2X packs up easily, so you can take it wherever your adventures take you. If you're serious about cooking, you need a stove that can put out some serious heat. The Camp Chef Explorer Double Burner Stove features two 20,000 BTU cast aluminum burners that will let you cook whatever you want, whenever you want. The folding lid opens into a 3-sided windscreen to protect your flame from windy conditions, and the matchless ignition means you can get your burners lit quickly and easily. Plus, the included regulator adapter lets you use 1-pound propane cylinders for even more convenience. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.